So I saw a video by Color with Claire, and she was showing how to do a sunflower and what colors to use. Now these square pencils don't have names, and if they are named, it's in Chinese and I can't read it. So what I did is I found those colors in my Prismacolors and then just searched through my squared pencils, finding colors that matched or came close to matching. And so I've got these colors. And in my circle of life, there is a very nice sunflower and additional things. So I can use my square pencils on the sunflower, and then the round ones, either like in part of the sunflower or on the additional things, and see if they're the exact same pencil. So let's do that. Get this out of the way. And if I remember how she did it, because it's been a while since I watched that. Okay, here we go. This is redder than I was thinking, but okay, you know, we work with it. Very soft, buttery pencils, as I remember the rounds being. Interesting difference between the firmer press and the lighter press. That's interesting. Not the best blender. It's not wanting to blend, but it's layering okay. Alright, there's the squares. Now let's do some petals with the rounds. Let me find those colors. Okay, got my rounds, same colors. This one took me a while to find, because this is the same color. Yes, indeed. Alright, so let's do this. A few leaves with the rounds. Let's see if they are the same. I think I was going with that red first. I'm going to go over it with an orange brown when I'm done with this comparison. No, maybe not. You know, I kind of like this stark change. So there we go. We have on this side the rounds, on this side the squares, and they colored no differently. I felt that it layered really well, but it did not blend very well. That may have been my color choice, but I'll think about that. But I would say they were better layers than blenders. I still enjoy coloring with these pencils. These are nice pencils. They may be budget, but you know what? If you're on a budget, these are not a bad pencil to get. I would get them again, absolutely. I think I prefer the rounds only because every once in a while you might like have your finger landing on one of these corners, and even though they are sanded off and rounded, I think I prefer the rounds. But on the other hand, these lay flat. They not only lay flat, you can stack them. How awesome is that? I love that feature. I love it. And it's going to be so helpful because my table is not quite exactly flat. Okay, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and finish this picture because I'm enjoying what I'm doing. And but I'll go ahead and sign off for now. You guys have a great day, and thank you for stopping by.